During World War II, the United Kingdom, as the main force of the early Allied forces, was under great pressure. However, after the Dunkirk evacuation, the Allies temporarily had no strength to counterattack the European continent. Since it was impossible to allow Germany and its allies to develop and expand on the European continent, the Allies supported guerrilla warfare and special operations as non-conventional means to create trouble for Germany. The Maus bomb was one of the weapons developed for such tasks. In July 1940, the United Kingdom established a secret organization called the Special Operations Executive, SOE, which mainly carried out espionage and sabotage operations in Europe. In 1941, the department proposed the idea of the Maus bomb and subsequently put it into practice. Although the Maus bomb did not explode successfully even once, the SOE evaluated it as a very successful weapon. Shortly after the idea of the Maus bomb was proposed, the SOE, under the guise of medical experiments, purchased around 100 mice. They killed the mice, skinned them, filled the mouse skins with plastic explosives, and installed detonation devices such as number 27 detonators or time pencils, a type of time fuse similar to a pencil. When used, disguised as dead mice, the mouse bombs were thrown by guerrillas, spies, and other personnel into the coal fuel of factories, power stations, steam locomotives, or near boilers. In general, when workers discovered dead mice, they would throw them into the boiler to prevent them from causing a stench or disease. This gave the Maus bomb the opportunity to explode, damaging the boiler and causing adverse effects on production and life. This method of warfare with this type of weapon is similar to the coal torpedo we introduced recently. The difference is that the Maus bomb did not achieve tangible results. In 1942, the first batch of 100 mice was planned to be sent to Europe for missions, but these mice were intercepted by the Germans. The Germans immediately realized the threat posed by this weapon. They used the captured Maus bombs as teaching materials in military academies and launched operations to find dead mice because they believed that the Allies would continue to carry out similar destructive activities. In fact, the Allies did not continue to implement the plan, but the Germans invested a lot of manpower and resources in searching for dead mice. From the perspective of the SOE, they caused the Germans to do a lot of useless work at very little cost. Although it did not cause direct damage, it played a role in a situation where wartime resources were so scarce. Therefore, the Maus bomb was considered a successful weapon. Interestingly, some of these special weapons, like animal specimens, have been passed down, and some have even been auctioned. However, there may not be many people interested in these weapons.